Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to learn numbers counting 0 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. Blue color 0. Pink color 1. 1 diamond. Parrot green color 2. 2 diamonds. Red color 3. 3 diamonds. Indigo 4. 4 diamonds. Brown color 5. 5 diamonds. Sky blue color 5. 5 diamonds. Orange color 6. 6 diamonds. Dark green color 7. 7 diamonds. Purple color 8. 8 diamonds. Dark blue color 9. 9 diamonds. Yellow color 10. 10 diamonds. Wow, these diamonds are looking so beautiful. Now let's count 0 to 10 and count these both sides to make it is equal to 10. Let's go. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10 diamonds. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 diamonds. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 3. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 4. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 diamonds. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 diamonds. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye.